Folks, hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you're watching this video, it's because you want to make money online. And then if you want to make money online, it's because you want to help your wife and family to have a very good quality of life, which is something very, 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 very awesome. And you should keep up, buddy. Okay guys, let's speak a little bit about making money online, okay? As I told you guys before, the best way for you to make money online is for you to promote more, You gotta promote. You gotta promote on Facebook. You gotta promote on TikTok. You gotta promote on YouTube, And you gotta promote constantly, Not just once in a while, but every day. If you can do it every day, then you do it, Just like what the Bible says, You gotta work 6 days a week and rest on 7 days, Because this is the best way that you can use in order to succeed in any field you want in life. Okay? Yeah. Okay, now, as I'm telling you guys, okay, you gotta promote every single time. Now, guys, when you promote, you gotta promote good products, Do not promote, how can I say, products that are not good, If you have the opportunity to promote the best product in the market, then promote it, Especially if you are in affiliate market or internet marketing or anything in life, any business, you either have to manufacture or find the best product, and then you can sell it, You can promote it and then you can sell it, Because when you promote good products, you will gain that reputation, that good reputation that will stick with you, It's very important because sometimes your product, how can I say, people buy your product because they listen from somebody else, because they listen from somebody else. You see, you sell a product to a particular client, the client listen and the client speak about the product, speak to his friends, family, everybody, his wife, co-workers. They speak about it and then they come and then they speak about the product. They speak about the product and they recommend it to you, That's why you're gonna make a lot of money, So make sure that you sell good products, But now, how do you know if a particular product is good, A product is good, if it solves problems, Your product must solve problems, If your product does not solve problems, then your product is not good, Like, for example, why do you guys watch? Why do you guys watch Avengers? Like the movie Avengers. Because the movie Avengers is entertainable. It gives a lot of entertainment. When you watch it, you become entertained by that. So the problem it is that you're looking for a product that entertains you. And the movie Avengers entertains you, Marvel entertains you, That's why those series, those movies, a lot of people watch it, Because it entertains, it solves that problem, That's how you have to be. That's how you have to be as well, Yeah, you gotta be able to solve problems, Yeah. Okay. So, but why am I telling you all these stories? Why am I telling you all these stories? I'm telling you all these stories is because, I was contacted by the Get Response team, I was contacted by the Get Response team, and the Get Response team, is an autoresponder, I use the Get Response, autoresponder, They contacted me and they want me to speak about my experiences with GetResponse, Yeah, so, but my experience with GetResponse is a good experience, Is a good autoresponder, So, my experience is good. So, they contact me so that I can be some sort of witness about the product, And the product is a good product, So, they're gonna use my video and they're gonna use my video so that they can show to other clients, to give them credibility about the product, You know, if the product was bad, if the product was bad, I would say that the product is bad, you know, but the product is fantastic and I recommend it for you to use it, you know. Yeah, so this is what I'm trying to tell you, you know. Now, because the product is good, you know, I can recommend how to get response to you guys and to other people, you know. So this is what you have to do because the product is good, you know. That's why I tell you, you have to sell good products, okay? Don't sell piece of trash. Don't sell trash. Just sell good product, you know? Like I told you before, good companies, they are formed around good products, you know? This is even a quote from Elon Musk, you know? You guys know Elon Musk, you know? The Tesla Motors, Elon Musk, yeah. Okay, guys, sell good product. Okay, okay, guys, make sure that you write your comments below and subscribe to the channel and check the link below so that you can learn how to make money online in a very effective way. And write your comments, share this video, share this video so that I can grow this channel. You know, it's a new channel, and I'll see you next video, buddy. Bye.